Hey friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. So I'm going to show you how I put some of my favorite quotes on t-shirts using my Cricut. So I open up Design Space, and first I'm going to go to Text. Under Text, I'm going to pick the font that I like to use, and that changes depending on the type of t-shirt that I'm doing. So these are both going to be for my grandson. So I'm going to do Mommy is my bestie, and I'm going to set this up in lowercase letters because I like how that looks. Then I'm going to put in my next quote because I'm doing 2 t-shirts. So this one is Tell Your Dog I Said Hi. And again, I'm going to do this in lowercase letters. So then I'm on an iPad, so I can move it back and forth with my finger, or I can go into Edit and adjust the size by just putting in the numbers. So I'm going to go in and choose the size I want for my quote to be on my t-shirt. And then now what I'm going to do here is when I pull up my guide, I'm going to take one of them and I'm going to move it to the bottom. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want to use one sheet to print both of them, but I'm going to do 2 different colors. So if I move it to the bottom, I can easily add my colors on my mat for my vinyl. So as you can see, I'm going to put my colors on my mat and be able to do both colors on the same mat without having to switch mats during the process. So I look and see how big of a piece I need for each one and where I need it to be on my mat, and then I'm just going to lay that down accordingly. I do this with multiple colors and just adjust them on my mat. It's very easy because you have the grid marks, so you can use your grid marks and adjust as necessary. I apologize, I'm on my back porch and there are people doing work back in the woods, so alright, so I'm just going to cut off my vinyl to the appropriate size that I need and place it on my mat. And then I hit make it all goes in and it's going to cut everything, and then I'll weed it. So like I said, I actually like this method, and I will put multiple colors on one mat. It works very well to be able to do that. Now also, when I'm weeding my vinyl, I do like to cut around anything that I'm doing and save all the extra vinyl. I don't like to waste it if I don't have to, because vinyl is very, very expensive. So now I have my t-shirt. I'm going to get it ready. So I do like to take my t-shirt, I fold it in half, and then I iron on both sides of the t-shirt. I do a crease down the center, and that allows me to know where my center line is on my t-shirt, and it makes lining up my decal very easy. Now, when you open this up and you go to put your decal on, when you take your decal and fold it in half to get your center line, make sure that you're not folding your sticky sides together because you will mess up your decal. You want that to be the non-sticky sides folded together. And then line up your decal where you'd like it to be. This is the Cricut Everyday Iron-On. Since I'm using my mini, I have to do individual different spots. However, this one is generally 15 seconds on the front, and then I turn it over, do 15 seconds on the back, let it cool, and then pull off the plastic. Sometimes I am bad about not following directions exactly for my heat transfer vinyl, which certainly can mess up a project. If you're ever not sure about the proper technique for applying your vinyl, such as the amount of time, the amount of heat, if you go to cricut.com, they will actually give you the information for all heat transfer volume. Do you hear the birds? It's beautiful. I'm sorry, I know it's a little noisy out back today. So anyways, I'm going to pull off the plastic now that it's cool to touch. And my cute little t-shirt is even cuter. With how fun is that? Tell your dog I said hi. So that'll be adorable for my little grandson. And, just make sure everything's on well. And if you need to, you can always put a barrier and iron over it again. And then here's my other one, Mommy's My Bestie.